This is Lucky and he loves to cycle. So he decides to open a bike shop. He'll have to rent a shop, pay a mechanic a monthly salary to work there, and incur other monthly expenses like insurance. Lucky will buy the bikes directly from the manufacturer at $200 per bike, and will add a markup of 50%. So the selling price per bike will therefore be $300. Now, even though Lucky has some savings, he wants the business to pay for itself. So before he commits, he needs to know how many bikes he needs to sell each month to make the business survive. Is it one per week? If so, he knows enough people that loves to cycle, and if they are happy, they can tell their friends. Or does he need to sell 20 bikes per day, in which case he'll never make it? Now, how can Lucky determine whether his bike shop is a viable business or not, or how many bikes he needs to sell to make a living from the business?